Have you ever seen the most emotional moment in court? This video will show one of the most dramatic moments in a courtroom, so without further delay, let's get into it. Aiden Fucci is the name that has been in the news recently due to his involvement in the death of 13-year-old teen Tristan Bailey in May 2021. At the time of the incident, Fucci was 14 years old, arrested immediately and charged with first-degree murder. His trial was expected in November 2021, and his case acquired huge media attention along with reports of his past behaviour and statements from Fucci and his friends. He stood before the court and made a brief statement after he changed his plea from not guilty and said he was sorry for Bailey's family and his family. The judge asked him a series of questions to know if he needs more time to go over his decision, and Fucci declined. He also said that he understands the decision and had enough time to take, and the same with his parents and the attorney. The judge also asked him whether Fucci was satisfied with how he was presented in the court, and he said this: Tristan Bailey was reported missing and was last seen walking with Fucci in their Durban Creek neighbourhood. Tristan's body was later identified in a wooded area by his neighbour. The trial was expected to last most of the week, and Bailey's family was also in the courtroom. Her mother, Stacey Bailey, was later found hugging the prosecutor. In the arrest report, Fucci was confirmed to be with Bailey at a mutual friend's house and left by 1:10 PM on May 9, 2021. Fucci later agreed that they got into an argument and he pulled Bailey to the ground. A security camera showed both of them walking from the Durban pathway and Saddlestone Drive, but only him on the same street, heading in the opposite direction. Fucci's mother wrote a letter to the judge showing her apology to the victim's family. The details against Fucci to be found guilty still unfold, and justice needs to take course. The case was shocking for many, and questions were raised regarding youth violence and mental health. Tristan's body was found at the end of the retention pond not far from Fucci's home. The medical examiner reported that Bailey had 114 stab wounds, of which 49 were defensive. Investigators said other evidence included blood and DNA linked Fucci to Bailey's death. The knife was recovered from a nearby pond with its broken off tip from Bailey's skull. Moreover, the investigators said that while Bailey's family was looking for the missing teen, Fucci's mother was busy washing blood out of her son's jeans. Furthermore, when the sink and jeans were tested later, both tested positive for blood. One of his friends told the sheriff that Fucci told him he would kill someone by taking them into the woods. While investigating Fucci's room, the officers found a notebook with violent drawings, including at least one gory drawing of naked women. The judge said that the loss which you have clearly suffered is unimaginable to Bailey's family, and sometimes the family members will expect that somehow or another the sentence can heal or provide closure. Following the sentence, Bailey's father shared a touching message for her daughter that he was so proud of her daughter, and when she went into the world, she had given it her best. The judge also noticed that while Fucci showed some potential for rehabilitation, the crime was extraordinary. In a recent interview given to First Coast News, Fucci's girlfriend said he often carried a knife and talked about killing people. He even pretended to kill her by slitting her throat. She never took the incident seriously. She also said that Fucci used to hear voices in his head when he was angry and was on antidepressants. Bailey's family issued a statement: "Since this nightmare began, we have had the love and support of many. We know so many have lifted Tristan, our family and her friends up in prayer." They began to express their gratitude to the attorneys, investigators and all who contributed throughout. Do you guys want to know what's next for Aiden Fucci? Larissa said that they are trying to give him the maximum sentence available under a law, a life sentence. Although Fucci was charged with a first-degree murder, being a juvenile he's not eligible for the death penalty. Fucci will be charged with a minimum sentence for 40 years and a maximum life sentence. Moreover, the judge needs to consider several factors like the circumstances of the crime, his mental capacity, potential for rehabilitation, and the crime that was committed solely and was not pressured by anyone. According to Florida's law, after 25 years of sentence, the judge can review it and can provide a lighter law. The St. Johns County Sheriff Robert Hardwick also issued a statement that they have not stopped working since the initial call they received, and immediately went on to arrest Fucci and put countless efforts for the day. He continued, "The cooperation between the agency and Bailey's family that has been unparalleled, and their strength and grace throughout the case has been incredible." Furthermore, he said that the agency will be Bailey's with the family forever. We hope you all enjoyed the video, and if so, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and share your valuable thoughts in the comments. See you in another one, and have a nice day.